Today I'm bringing you guys a nighttime cook and clean with me. I have a bunch of random things that I need to do around the house. I don't have any heavy cleaning that I'm going to be doing today, but I am going to be sharing a really good recipe, so let's get started.
I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since I felt
We're jumping right into it. We're going to start upstairs in our secondary living room area. I haven't been able to vacuum up here in a while, so I need to do that. I'm going to pick up a little bit, then we're going to head downstairs to start dinner.
you anymore, spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion.
Last thing I'm going to be doing up here is spraying the couch and the pillows down with my homemade Febreze mix. I will have the recipe down in the description. Let me know if you guys are like this, but depending on what I cook for dinner, I like to clear my countertops and take the dishes out the sink. If there's dishes in the dishwasher, sometimes I'll take those out and put that away, so I'm not working around a lot of mess, and also so I won't have like double the mess at the end of the night when I'm done cooking. But that's just something I like to do. It helps me concentrate better on what I'm making. If my recipe happens to have a lot of moving parts and a lot of chopping and moving around, I definitely have to have clear countertops. Yeah, so let me know if you guys do the same thing. We're gonna be making some couscous for dinner tonight. You guys are gonna wanna write this one down. I got this idea off of TikTok. I will have her link down below in case you guys wanna check it out for yourself.
So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feet.
We're going to start off by boiling 2 cups of broth of your choice, and then once that boils, you're going to add 2 cups of couscous, take it off the heat, stir it, and set it to the side. In another pan, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, then add 1 medium onion, 2 tablespoons of garlic, Italian seasoning, curry powder, 1 bouillon cube, turmeric powder, smoked paprika, and then you're going to mix in your shredded chicken or meat of your choice. Next, you're going to add in 1 handful of kale, some bell peppers, give it a good stir, add in your couscous, cover it for about 2 minutes, and then you're done.
So that's impressive, how much you're missing.
Some of you guys were asking about the cookware that I use, and it's by carawayhome.com. It's all non-toxic, which means 100% free of any toxic chemicals that can leach into your food and environment. They're non-stick and they keep selling out, but right now everything is back in stock, and if you want to get your hands on some of this cookware, click the link below for 10% off.
How much you messing with me?
Didn't know the love was war. Then I saw you coming at me. Somebody that I used to know. Somehow you're my enemy. I don't wanna fight no more. Origami on the floor, breaking stuff that's so sentimental. Push and pull is all we do. Life is hollow without you. Ooh.
So we actually love having leftovers for breakfast, depending on what it is. My husband will eat anything with a fried egg on top. I don't eat eggs, but if you do, this actually would be so good for breakfast.
Without you, without you. Left hand feels so heavy, anchored to your memory. Ravage through my brain, oh, loose in the china shop. It goes non-stop. I don't wanna fight no more. Origami on the floor, breaking stuff that's so sentimental. Push and pull is all we do. Life is hollow without you.
All right, so some of you guys know that we are PCSing to Tennessee this summer, and if you're not familiar, we're military, so PCSing just means we are relocating to Tennessee. We're actually excited because of the slower pace over there, so if you guys are in the Nashville area, please comment down below some really good restaurants and family fun things to do. We're actually still looking for a place to live down there, so cross your fingers and wish us good luck.
Calling you up at 2 in the morning, but you don't wanna talk, you don't wanna bother. Yeah, so I take another shot, let my brain do the walking. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touched me like you can.
I folded some towels earlier today, so I'm gonna take those upstairs and put those away in the linen closet.
From you, tear me apart when I know you don't want me. Cause I've been going fast and you wanna go slowly. Maybe I'm just wasting time. Tell me how you feel. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right.
So I did do a video on my laundry room organization. I will have that link down below in case you guys haven't seen it. But so far, so good. I am still loving it. Everything is still really, really organized and clean and just super simple, which that's what I love. So if you guys want to check it out, go ahead and click that link down below.
Ain't nobody touched me like you.
So the boys take swimming lessons 3 times a week, and this was the last swim class of the week, so I'm gonna throw all of their stuff into the washing machine, so when next week rolls around, it'll be all clean and ready to go. So the kids mainly use the powder room when they're downstairs, or if they're outside playing, they'll come in here and use the bathroom since it is right off of the garage. So I'm gonna go ahead and sanitize it using just some Clorox wipes. It's a super small powder room, so it doesn't need much. I think I do a pretty good job at keeping it somewhat clean, so I'm just gonna use some Clorox wipes, wipe the toilet down. It's not terrible today, so I'm not putting on any gloves, and I'm gonna spray the mirror and wipe down the sink, clean out the trash can, and sanitize all handles, knobs, and switches.
War is a 4-letter word. Trust yourself and you get hurt. Tell yourself it's so absurd. Four-letter words, four-letter words. I hate it when you're like this. You never get excited.
Now I'm just gonna vacuum the kitchen and dining area, and that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Love hurts more when you're in